This is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today we have odd meter readings example 2. This is a light box right here, and this is my red lead on the hot wire. The red lead always goes on the hot wire, and my black lead is on the white wire. The black lead always goes to the white or the ground wire. And right now we're reading 6.44 volts AC. So something is odd about this reading. So what we're going to do right away, this is between the hot and the neutral. So what if we were to take this off the neutral and put it on the ground? Okay, we now have 120.2 volts. We got an excellent reading between the hot and the ground. That tells me two things. The ground is good. We don't have any problem with the ground. We got 120 volts going back to the panel, and there's nothing wrong with the hot wire either, because it's working. It's 120 volts. It's doing fine. So our problem, by deduction, is with the neutral wire. Okay, we've just proven that the hot and the ground are good, and by elimination, we found that the neutral is bad. There's something wrong with the neutral. So we'll look right here in this box, and there's just a wire, just a hot and a neutral coming out. There's no ground wire, but there is EMT, which is an equipment grounding conductor. So we're good in this box. So next thing you do, you go to the next box. And before we do that, we're going to turn off the circuit breaker. So these are both hot wires going to the switch. This one right here is the hot wire coming up and feeding this system, and this is the load wire, which goes to the load, which is the light. So this will be the line wire, and this will be the load wire. They're good. We've tested out the hot line to be good. The neutral, though, is a whole other issue. So here we have a lever connector connecting these two neutrals. Get this out of the way here. Okay, lever connector. Let's take this off and see what's going on. Okay, that one comes. Oh, look at that. We have a broken wire. Okay, that was good. So what I'm going to do is put a new end on this one. Okay. And we're going to redo this. Okay, this goes all the way in, clamp down. This goes all the way in with a different lever connector. So let's turn the circuit breaker back on and test out our voltage between the hot and the neutral. Okay, we got 120 volts AC between the ground and the hot, so that is still good. For the hot and the neutral, okay, we got 120 volts. So now we're good. So when we did our original testing here between the ground and the hot, we found that the problem was the neutral. So then we came to the very next box, upstream we call it, towards the panel. You go upstream, and we tested our neutrals here, or we just looked at them and found that one was broken, and fixed it, put it all back together, turned the circuit breaker back on, and there we have 120.1 or 120.2 volts AC. It's fixed. Okay, thanks. I hope that helped.